This is an activation of the WAHC Emergency Operations Center Emergency Alert System, Missing Runaway Person Alert. The Pennsylvania State Police is asking for your help in finding Kayla Marie Tabrin. She is 16 years old, 6 feet 1 inch tall, is 200 pounds and has brown hair and brown eyes. She left her residence in the Latrobe area today. Anyone with info contact the Pennsylvania State Police Greensburg at 724-832-3288. This has been an activation of the WAHC Emergency Operations Center Emergency Alert System, and we now return you to regular programming. End of message.